Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best beard growth oil available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 8 we have YOOBEAUL Beard Growth Oil. This beard kit is the safest and most effective combination tools for your beard growing. You can use the rolling tool 8 to 10 times back and forth on each area horizontally, vertically, and diagonally before applying face cream, beard oil or skin serums. This can help you better distribute the oil and balm and give you a healthier and thicker beard. This beard balm provides the proper hydration and strength to each hair and helps to reduce hair losses. What's more, your beard not only looks well defined and healthy comparing to others. At number 7 we have Pop Modern Beard Growth Oil. This beard growth oil carefully formulated formula provides vitamins and nutrients needed for beard growth. You can improves beard health, strengthens hair roots and promotes fast beard growth. This beard growth serum contain multi-effective ingredients. Biotin can improve beard health and strengthen the beard root. It has caffeine, promotes beard growth and counteracts testosterone inhibition. At number 6 we have Beard Farmer Beard Growth Oil. After a few weeks of treatment your beard will feel softer and be stronger due to the natural conditioners in this tested and proven formula. You can apply 3 to 5 drops of this topical conditioning treatment onto the skin in the area being treated. Leave product on all day. This can be used once or twice daily based on activity and comfort. It has pure cold-pressed essential oils that thicken hair and stimulate hair growth are used in this all-natural blend of Growther beard oil. This handcrafted oil blend works to heal and repair dry or damaged hair, rejuvenate hair follicles and moisturize hair and skin. At number 5 we have YOOBEAUL Beard Growth Oil. You can use our all-natural non-toxic and tasteless beard oil to control the thickest beard. That's make your beard look clean and tidy, while also moisturizing the chin and soothing itchy and stimulated skin. This beard care can reduce facial frizz and prevent beard from peeling off. At number 4 we have YOOBEAUL Beard Growth Oil. You deserve the best and so does your beard. The entire Viking Revolution team is wholeheartedly committed to making sure that each and every product we offer is of the highest quality using only premium ingredients and materials. These scents are carefully curated to keep them fresh and masculine without being overwhelming, that aren't kind to your skin or the planet. At number 3 we have Oars. This hydrating beard oil helps you get smoother, healthier looking facial hair while hydrating and soothing the skin underneath. You can use gently massage in 2 to 3 drops to look good and smell great. Application is easier and cleaner than beard balms. This products simplify your routine and make it easy to stick to your regimen no matter where you're headed. This entire product line is travel friendly, spill proof and great for your bag when you're on the move. At number 2 we have Billy Jealousy Devil's Delight Beard Oil. The best time to apply is right after cleansing with Billy Jealousy Beard Washington. It has beard oil softens and smooths each hair, making the beard easier to tame. You can use beard oil to smooth down flyaways without weighing your beard down. At number 1 we have Honest Amish Beard Growth Oil. It has organic virgin argan, golden jojoba and 6 more premium hydrating oils. And also it has all natural and organic ingredients. And it is the most trusted brand for beards in the world. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best beard growth oils for your need.